This initial solution will show you, can you add custom music or custom audio on your Instagram Reels? Yes, you can record a reel with your own audio and mix it with music or original audio by another Reels creator. So first of all, open your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon, select Reel, and you can upload a reel from your gallery or you can capture a dummy reel here. Tap on next. And here, tap on this music icon at the top. Tap on voiceover. Use the slider bar at the bottom to choose where you want to add a voiceover. Then tap and hold the record button to start your voice recording. Once you're done, tap on done. Tap on sound effects and select the sound effect you want to add to your audio. Then tap on done. And by tapping this icon, you can also add some extra music or song to your reel. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.